Hot Springs Spa 5-way test strips tell you the condition of your water. These things are a spa owner's best friend. At Hot Springs, we make spa ownership a breeze, and our test strips are just as easy. Make sure the jets are off, then simply place the strip in the water for 2 seconds. Take it out, compare the colors on the strip to the picture on the back of the bottle. It's that easy. Our 5-way test strip should be purple for perfect, green for go, orange for okay, and teal for ideal. Your water needs to be tested weekly. Hot Springs Spas offers a variety of maintenance contracts to fit your individual needs. Our dedicated service technicians are your dedicated service technicians. Thanks for watching Under the Cover with Sean, where we have the spa facts that help you relax.